In this video we are going to tell you how to draw isometric drawing in IGiS CAD. Open IGiS CAD, then type DS for open drawing settings, then go into coordinate input tab, then go into snap and grid and turn on snap. Now change snap type to isometric. Choosing one of the following options turns on isometric drafting. Left specifies creating left-facing planes, defined by the 90-degree and 150-degree axis pair. Top specifies creating top-facing planes, defined by the 30-degree and 150-degree axis pair. Right specifies creating right-facing planes, defined by the 90-degree and 30-degree axis pair. Choose one as per your requirement. Now you can draw isometric drawing. If you want to change ISO mode, then type snap ISO pair system variable and change its value between 0 to 2 as per your requirements. For turn off isometric draw, open drawing setting and change snap behavior from isometric to rectangular. Thank you for watching this video and explore more at www.igiscad.com.